Alright guys, just another quick video today. This is going to be on my DIY limb risers. So I started this project a few months ago. I just finished it today. I want to kind of give you guys an idea of how I did it and why I did it. So first off, limb risers, the whole point of them is if a branch is coming along where you're going down a trail, it's going to hit the limb riser instead of hitting your windshield. So obviously, I mean, this whole project cost me maybe $25, $30 in parts. You can get all these parts at like Lowe's or Home Depot, pretty much any home improvement store. And it's gonna save you from buying a windshield, which obviously is a lot more expensive. So, the general idea is you wanna go from as far forward on the vehicle as you can. So like if you have a brush guard or something like that on your bumper, then ideally you're gonna go from that all the way up to like a roof rack. So I have them attached to my roof rack at top, and then I have them attached to the fenders down here. The fender is not ideal because one, you can catch right here, and then fenders are usually pretty thin sheet metal. So because these are pretty thin, what I did was underneath here there is some bracing. Got a big piece of plate right in here, sandwiched down in there, so that this isn't just pulling on this thin sheet metal, because if a branch hits this and all it's attached to is this sheet metal here, it's just going to rip it out. And it's not going to really do you much good because you're going to have to buy new fenders. So I've got it reinforced up down here. Up here, I don't have any reinforcement. This is just drilled into my my roof rack. Eventually I'm going to get some more eyelets and attach it to those and put those up here. So I'll have another eyelet up here. But you can get the general idea. So at either end, they're crimped. So the wire's crimped. That's going to keep it from sliding out. There's a bunch of different styles of these. These are just the hammer type. You just flatten them with a hammer. And then this is probably the most important part. So this allows me to tighten and loosen it. So with these all the way tight, can't really open the hood because the hood is going to push on these. Right now they're pretty loose, so I can get my hood up. But if these are all the way tight, you wouldn't be able to open your hood. So you need to be able to loosen them. I just make sure I keep a wrench. I believe these are like a 1/2 inch or 12 millimeter. So I just have that wrench stowed in my toolkit. It's on the front seat right now. And that way, if I ever need to open the hood, if I have trouble going down the road or on the trail, I can just loosen these up, pop the hood open. No big deal. So that's pretty much it, guys. If you want to know more, leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching.